Year for Dallas Mavericks star Cooper Flagg, the NBA Rookie of the Year, put on his racing gloves to drive the pace car during NASCAR's Worth.
If you run a service business, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, cleaning, lawn care, listen up. I'm out here at NASCAR right now, and Jobber got a car in the race. Now, that might look like marketing. Here's what you need to understand. This same company is giving away $250,000 for service businesses. Yeah, real money. Top prize, $100,000. There's no loan, no payback, and this isn't just for big companies. This is for small service business owners just like you. Now, I use Jobber every day for scheduling, invoicing, and keeping things organized. So I already know they're serious about helping contractors win. But here's the truth. Most people is going to scroll past this fast, just like these cars going to go around the track fast here in a second. And they're going to miss this opportunity because they think it's too big or it's too good to be true, or they're going to wait too long. Don't do that. The only thing they're looking for is your story, your plans, and how you're going to grow your business. If you had $100,000 dropped into your business right now, what would you do with it? More employees, better equipment, more marketing. Apply for Jobber Grant. The link is in the description below. It's only take 5 minutes to apply.